Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Seashell puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and 3D printed by Rex Rosana Perez from Philippines. The difficulty level of the Seashell puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 3 parts inside the frame in such a way that all openings will be covered, there will be no gaps, and there will be no sticking out parts like you can see right now. So no pieces supposed to be outside the frame, all supposed to be inside and cover everything. This puzzle has 3 parts, all 3 parts, they have different shape and they're quite complicated shapes. You will find it that they're really complicated when you start solving the puzzle. And the frame has quite large openings as well, and it will be difficult to figure out the correct way to put parts inside so that they cover all openings. As you can see, there is a large opening on this side, another exactly the same opening on this side, and a huge gap on top of the box. Usually I solve such puzzles outside the frame. I try to figure out the way how to put parts together, and then I try to fit them inside. As you can see now, it looks kind of something that can cover all openings, I guess. Oh no, it doesn't even look like, since if I manage to fit all parts inside, there will be a gap right here in the middle, so that's not the correct solution. And there are too many possible combinations how you can put 3 parts together, so it will be quite difficult to find the correct one, the only one that will allow you to fit all parts inside. If you like the Seashell puzzle, where's the name of it? It is right here, Seashell puzzle, and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching, see you next time.